we ya no. So actually, Oba so be introduced who to the committee. And no. Now, Bernard are here for our year chairman, the appointment committee. On a busa question, we na afenyo marking or a ranking member. Now, no so a more. Also, more questions about taking about 2 hours. They said there was your conduct to Hunti. Said there was your conduct to Hono. I was say, yeah, Mr. Chairman, Chairman, and discharge you now, you call baby. And it was just like that, Chairman. So, what's here, Chida? Udumsana, one committee members who say, Chairman, because Chairman started to acknowledge you or more best supporting, which is because already he has already mentioned their names. Let's go. I mean, look at it. Now, before Enra, now Oliver, Vomawo, Atro Bibi, Ewo, but obviously I'm here, Vomawa, the no Troyan. Say, who pass, say, or my Timwin. Now, yeah, appointment committee. Edi Jumana nkrofo so fa chire ebe say omutua sika. Let me read it. Ebe say me kan said the Oliver Voma Watro no or say mame, let me get it na mbajo mo betima boya me yenya no or say okay, so all the monies the ministerial appointees are being asked to pay to the appointment committee just to get approved, are those ones not affected by oral? It's a question. We are not trust a strange republic. This is it. Any idea to your Facebook page, Akoma 87.9 FM. And that one. So all the monies the ministerial appointees are being asked to pay to the appointment committee just to get approved. Are those ones not affected by oral? The oral for no bisa say sa na ma we de enka ho bia na strange republic. That is before. That's about the over the weekend. And otro sadi. Nanra and chairman edema the appointment committee. I'm drawn attention to that statement. Oliver Vamawo, Oliver Baker Vamawo, Atro. Now, and also committee chair touch on that. Or say the answer Monua Brantian in the Atujan. And until I was say or appear before the committee and ne. Na obeyano why? What is answer no tuja? The evidence or what? On famra. On famra. On produce that evidence. Enti Oliver who yan wakwa nso akwa tribute to say this is how democracy improves. I look forward to appearing before the appointment committee tomorrow, which is today. Enti adeway appointment committee omo veti omo ye no. Ghana fo ani wo so. Amanfo ani wo ho. Obia e monitor de ekoso. But the question is, the Greater Accra Regional Minister. Na bibia ni ho a ye bebusa no a. Apart from say udin the same, abusuan ofri mu ye same, o maame din the same, o papa din the same, eno nko a. When afenyo makin ya, wono afenyo makin yi, etimi busa say, are you a mason? As well a Freemason. What me busa sanse mu nyina. No more try to protect her. Nah, this is a question. No more try to protect her. Nessa maybe a better money. ama two questions akwa mo mayi ano. The why ono a wo de obenewa obenewa me ba no. But me ubusame a na me kire madwen a maame no bibi wo ha no omo try to protect. That's how I feel, because enkran efi enkran ene am ekoso wo ho, the nation's capital. Next will be by the regional minister. Next, you bet me 6 minutes. You are very tiny. Busan say, "Oh my, me come up, can want some crash there. Oh we see we. You've been discharged, just like that. There's something they are trying to protect." And they are immediately. Now, appointment committee and then I said, Mufa President John Mahama na yinto. And then I will deal with this matter. We are your baba share the Okosu Crimone MMDC is one sem kakrani na. You see, now no samba kaya me kan sa we say President John Dramani Mahama wa appointees ebegu anim ase. Ayo mo na begu anim ase. But the baby e twemu no. O first time wo ba ya na wo kofie. Se oba kaya the late Rollins e kan sa asem we say na wa appointees ni bi wo ma se o mo se and wo mo bite nkrofo babies with sharp teeth. Now your appointees ya na yes adwuma. Now no me can say what start but our appointees begu anim ase. And say wo mo begu anim ase a na ye wo so how I be react to omo conduct. How I be react to omo conduct. Who swear appointees in ministers, who swear omo in. Who catch a Ghana for nyina say oh media amamu na ye bebu no mo obi amfa nia mo hu bia mebu man no mo obi ameye mani nsade bia wo krom ha wa ban no de enya no na wo hwe. You see, and some of us some a wo kan ye no you pay attention to it. Nti me share boss say wa point is no obi adi nsemfo a ye beka na wo tie a ye be hwe how be react. Very simple. So appointee bi adi nsem hunu a will tell you, will just inform you. Ebia na wuhui. Ni aka kire. And also crowd the work as a media no, who be pay attention to the air discussing. We are ready, and I am sure said the okay, and also are ready. Okay, Mampani was say appointees are mobile be sumu amamu we mu no. Nya ni amo ho sam. Nya me mani nsade sam. I am saying this because Enra BBC our appointment committee omu wie ai omane buama ne vetting. Na mpacho odi join here live with Facebook page. Never had ye share video ni wie tie mu nsem wie a. Meka bibi a kire because you see saya maami a ye kana asem yi. Ana ye nua ba ye kana asem yi. Eye obi a ye born din a people started saying say oh e ma no eye oba o ye lawyer ma mo ankasa mo gina yie mo ba be bo contribute to o de me be say o